So the last 4 or 5 days here in Bangalore, all the leaders of the different temples that we have started in the last 10 years, they are all here. The GC members were here, not all of them, some were here. And there were also some senior devotees, older devotees who have been rendering responsible services in this temple, in our organization, meaning all over India. And they may not be temple presidents, but they are shouldering important responsibilities and shown commitment to Srila Prabhupada's movement. About 26 of us have had a few meetings, and we debated and discussed these matters. What shall be the future? How shall we have a GBC? Whether we will have a solid GBC which is unshakable, unchangeable, no election, whatever happens, they will continue to be GBCs, or shall we have an election process like direction of management says? In Kali Yuga, seeing the example of secular organizations, it is found that power corrupts people. So naturally in the secular organizations, they have election every few years. Like we know, the Prime Minister of our country or the Chief Minister of our states are all elected every few years. And the people who are governed have an opportunity to decide who will be governing them. So this is election is considered, election and periodic election and being elected to power is considered a safer way, especially in Kali Yuga. And we see that Srila Prabhupada also had those kind of ideas when he made the direction of management. But Prabhupada's criteria was qualified people elect the GBC. So he said the temple presidents will elect the GBC. Prabhupada criticized democracy, especially where incompetent, unqualified people are allowed to elect their leader. But we see Srila Prabhupada used the principles of democracy, but he used the principles of qualified democracy. He said qualified people should elect. And that is what we see in direction of management. So this committee of this ad hoc committee, I'm using the word ad hoc committee, which consists of the GC members of ISKCON Bangalore. It consists of senior devotees who have been doing 10 and more years of service in this temple in a responsible way, holding responsible positions. And we had Nimai Pandit Das, who is from ISKCON Inc., New York. So, and a few other trustees of ISKCON Inc., New York. So we were about 26 of us. We have been discussing and debating these subjects. And we had voting on all these matters. And it was found that by majority, or probably by consensus of all, it was decided that we go by the direction of management which Srila Prabhupada gave, especially for future after his time. And since it is a process, it is a method by which every 3 years the GBCs have to be elected by the temple president body, which is a more appropriate way of going forward for our organization. So unanimously, this group, this ad hoc body has accepted that, has decided that we shall follow the direction of management which Srila Prabhupada has given, as that is the way for forming the GBC for our organization.